Conditional jump is an advanced feature, and it is not enabled by default. To enable this feature, go to the Settings page in TAR's dashboard and make sure the checkbox Next to enable conditional jump section in Gambits is checked on. Once you enable this, you will start seeing an extra option in the Gambit modals near the bottom like this. Once you check this on, you will see the section to configure conditional jump like this, where a condition is simply a check to compare two values. Here you can add branches using Add Branch button. In each of these branches, you can define one or more conditions tied together with and/ or operations. Here is what branches with conditions look like. URSP.age here is simply user response for the age gambit. To use chatbots in your own organization, book a free chatbot consultation at hellotars.com/demo or click the link in the video description. Again, that's hellotars.com/demo.